What's up, Team T, baby? How y'all doing today? First let me just show you guys this really cute new little jumper set I got from Honeybun. It is my hair is still wet, don't mind this mess, but it is a windbreaker set. So you like one of those windbreaker jackets. It's so cute though. Look at it. Oh my gosh, it's a cute little set that I am obsessed with because it is perfect for the summer, but it is also super cute for an outfit. So today I'm going to be making a really big vegan, well, depending on how hungry I am, which is usually really hungry because I just had a meal from after the gym. But I'm going to be making a big vegan salad, or I haven't decided if I'm going to make it into like a huge salad or like a veggie mix with this one secret ingredient that I'm going to put on top that I cannot wait to show you guys. You're probably going to be like, oh my gosh, what the freak? So I'm using vegan beef jerky. Well, not beef jerky, vegan jerky. So it's like beef jerky, but literally if you're ever craving beef jerky and you eat this vegan jerky and you're vegan, you're like, wow, this is insane. It tastes so good. It's so good. But one thing that I wanted to address or talk about that I have talked about before I show you guys what I'm about to eat and put in my vegan body is that people just have this assumption that vegans can't gain lean muscle or can't gain muscle or can't, you know, like put on size or get the thick fit look or whatever. My question is, where the heck is there a book where it says you need meat or you need fish in order to gain size? Like, where is that book? Because I want someone to prove it to me. Once you realize where you're getting your protein, your carbs, your fats from, once you are into the knowledge of where your food comes from, is because food is really medicine, you will understand that you do not need fish or meat in order to get your protein source. Like, I've showed this in many videos before, and I don't mind making another video for you guys where I show exactly where my protein's coming from, like how much protein's in beans, how many proteins in tempeh, how much protein is in vegetables like broccoli that you probably didn't know has protein in it, things like that. Like, I don't mind doing another video because to me, like, I love, like, this is my passion, like, I love this, but I can eat a huge salad and add certain things so it's not just like lettuce. Obviously, hold on, I need to turn the AC on. Oh. Okay, it's starting to get real hot up in here. So like I was saying, I can do like a huge salad that's obviously not just lettuce, spinach, and veggies, and add a ton of protein to it from whole plant-based foods, and that could be a way where I get my veggies, I mean my protein, because salad doesn't just fill me up. I can't just eat a plain salad. Like, I add, you know, edamame, which has loaded in protein, or garbanzo beans or black beans. Broccoli has 8 grams of protein per serving. Today I'm going to add my vegan jerky, which has a lot of protein in it. But you can add so many things to your meals that will make your meal have protein if you're trying to gain size and things like that. And like, you don't always need to add a bunch of protein. Like, as long as you're spacing it out in your day and your meals and you're eating, you know, more meals a day. So lean muscle mass, if you want lean muscle mass, you need to start eating more. You need to start consuming more carbs and more protein into your body, so your body can turn into a fat burning machine. So people might think it's crazy that you say eat more carbs and eat more meals. You're like, what? Well, already if you're working out, you're burning a lot more calories, so you need to be consuming calories. Now this, I'm talking as if you're trying to gain muscle, gain weight, get the lean, thick look, whatever. But also for losing weight in the same sense, you still do not eat, you do not starve yourself. You need to eat meals. You need to break it up and separate it into small mini meals. So it's all about portion control, you guys. It's all about getting in the right protein, fat, and carbs into your body, because literally I can't stress it enough how much, like, just food by itself is medicine. You can heal your body, heal your muscles, repair all through food. Like the vitamins, the minerals, the protein, everything is in medicine. And if you guys have been following me and you've seen the video where I healed myself with my kidney, like, it's so possible and it's so crazy, but literally food is medicine. So I feel like I just went on a little rant, but I can go on these rants for days because I love talking about this and it is my passion. But so like I said, you need to break it up into small meals. So start with breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner, snack. You know, just go by how you feel and how your body feels. And if you're really hungry, or if you're not too hungry, break it up into smaller. If you eat too much, then really try and work on your portion control of just eating the correct foods. Then you can eat more. So that's why I love making these salads that are just like huge, because it's all good stuff, veggies, beans, protein. Like I feel so good after. And you guys always wonder why I'm on a high all the time, where I'm always on energy overload. And no, I do not smoke weed. A lot of you guys sometimes think that I'm litty in my videos. But to put this out there, I do not smoke weed, and I have nothing against it, absolutely nothing against it. I've tried the CBD oil and things like that. Sometimes my eyes will be like really red if I'm super tired or if I'm overworked or just certain things like that, but I really don't come on camera lit, like, just being honest. But where was I even going with that? I'm not even sure what I was going with that. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I put in my salad, and I'm getting hangry. Actually, it's coming to that point. So I'm going to put a bunch of good veggies and good stuff on top. I'm not sure exactly everything. Probably some sweet potato. I made some sweet potato fries last night, so I'll probably put those inside. The jerky, some beans, who knows. You know, sometimes I'm just like all over the place with what I actually want to eat, and I just end up throwing a bunch of good shit inside my bowl and eat it. So I think I talked enough. And if you skip through this part and you're already watching the recipe, good to know. And if you actually listen to me blabber on for 8 minutes, then I love you. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. I will go now to make this salad, and you can see what's inside of my salad, and I'll see you all in my next video. So I decided to saute some of my veggies first because I didn't want them all to be raw on top of my lettuce. So I am just sauteing the onions first, and then I'm going to add in the rest of my veggies and season them with my usual seasonings that I will have listed. Alright you guys, so in this huge salad, and if you could tell by the bowl how big it is and deep, I added all my veggies, my lettuce, my spinach, some sweet potato fries from last night, which is really good to do, nutritional yeast, the jerky, and a bunch of veggies. I already said that, and the dressing, and then I also added some more coconut aminos on top, some Frank's Red Hot, and the rice vinegar. And this is so good. I can't wait to go eat it. I love you all, and I'll see you soon. Bye.